Welcome back to Home Tutor PCM. Today topic is exercise 7.3. In previous section we talk about integration by trigonometry properties. In this section we discuss about exercise 7.3. Let's start exercise 7.3. Question number 1 of exercise 7.3. Integrate this function by the trigonometry identity. Sin square 2x plus 5 dx. So can we write sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x, or we can change in these half angle, we get of 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus of cos 2x upon 2. Okay, we can change half angle, we can write as integration of 1 minus cos of 4x plus 10 upon 2 dx. Okay, we applying half angle from this identity. Okay, we get this. Now we solving this integral, we can write as half of integral 1 minus cos 4x plus 10 dx. Okay, or we can simplifying that 1 upon 2 integration of dx minus integration of cos 4x plus 10 dx. Okay, integrate this function, we get half of integration of dx is x minus of integration of cos x is minus integration of cos x sin x sin 4x plus 10, or 4x is upon 4 plus c. Okay, or we can multiplying these bracket, we get the answer. So x upon 2 minus of 1 upon 8 sin 4x plus 10 plus c is the final answer. Okay scholars, this is our final answer, where c1 plus c2 equal to c. Okay, nothing else, we just change in these identity into half angle. Okay, we get this function and we integrate these function. So final answer is this, x upon 2 minus 1 upon 8 sin 4x plus 10 plus c is the final answer. Okay. Question number 2. Integrate this function sin 3x cos 4x dx. So we know that this identity sin x cos y equal to half of sin x plus y plus of sin x minus y. Okay. Applying this identity in this function, here x is 3x, y is 4x. Okay, applying this identity in this function, we get half of integration, half of sin 3x plus 4x plus sin 3x minus of 4x. Okay, so we get half of integration sin 7x minus of sin x. Okay, dx. So integrate this function, we get half of integration of sin x is cos x minus of cos x 7x or 1 upon 7 minus of cos x plus c. Okay, or we can simplifying that, we get 1 upon 14 minus of 1 upon 14 cos 7x plus of cos x plus c is the final answer. Okay scholars, now applying this identity in this integral, here a is 4x and b is 2x. So applying this, we get half of integration of cos 6x cos 4x plus 2x plus of cos 4x minus 2x dx. Okay, simplifying that, we get result half of integration cos 6x cos 4x 2x is 6x plus of cos 2x dx. Okay. Now multiplying cos 6x in this bracket, we get half of integration cos 6x plus cos 6x cos 6x cos 2x dx. Okay, scholars? We multiplying these cos x in this bracket, we get this. Okay? We applying this identity. Cos square x we can write as cos 2x plus 1 upon 2. We multiply by 2. We get cos 12x upon 2. Okay? We substitute cos square 6x is cos 12x upon 2. Okay? According to this identity. Or applying this identity, we get this. Applying to cos a, cos b equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Here 6x is a or b is 2x. Applying this identity, we get this. Substituting this cos 6x 2x, substitute cos 8. Now integrate this function, we get 1 upon 4. Cos x is sin x. Sin x 12x. Sin 12x upon 12 plus x plus sin 8x upon 8 plus sin 4x upon 4 plus c. Okay. So here 1 upon 4, 1 upon 12 sin 12x plus sin of 8x 1 upon 8 plus sin of 4x 1 upon 4 plus x plus c is the final answer. This is our final answer. Okay, scholars? Where C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 equal to C. C is constant. Okay? Here is the final answer. This is our final answer. Okay, scholars? Question number 4. Sin cube 2x plus 1. So can we write as integration of sin square 2x plus 1 or sin 2x plus 1 dx. Okay? Or we can write as integration of 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1 or sin 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, we can write this sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square. Okay, so can we put substitution? So cos 2x plus 1 equal to t. Okay, let me substitute in this function. Cos 2x plus 1 equal to t. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So minus of sin 2x plus 1. 2x is 2. Dx equal to dt. Or we can write as minus of sin 2x plus 1 dx equal to 1 upon 2 dt. Okay. Applying this substitution in this, we get minus of 1 upon 2 integration of 1 minus t square dt. Okay, we substituting these in this integral. Okay, we get, now we simplifying that, we get minus 1 upon 2 integration of dt minus t square dt. Okay, now we integrate this function, we get 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 t minus 1 upon 3 t cube plus c. Okay, now substitute. Value of t is cos 2x plus 1. Okay, so applying the value, minus 1 upon 2 cos 2x plus 1 minus of 1 upon 3 cos cube 2x plus 1 plus c. Okay, is the, or we can simplifying or multiplying this bracket, we get minus of 1 upon 2 cos 2x plus 1 plus of 1 upon 6 cos cube 2x plus 1 plus c is our final answer. Okay, scholars, this is our final answer. Question number 5. Integrate this function sin cube x cos cube x dx. So can we write as 1 minus cos square x cos cube x or sin x. Okay, now let's substitute. Let cos x equal to t. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx equal to dt. Okay. Applying this substitution, in this we get minus of integration 1 minus t square t cube dt. Okay. Now simplifying that, we get integration of minus integration of t cube minus t5 dt. Okay. We integrate this function, we get minus of 1 upon 4 t power 4 minus of 1 upon 6 t power 6 plus c. Okay. Now we substituting the value of t. Value of t is this. We get substitute. We get result minus of 1 upon 4 cos 4 x minus of 1 upon 6 cos 6x plus c. Okay. Or we can write as 1 upon 4 minus of 1 upon 4 cos 4x plus of 1 upon 6 cos 6x plus c is the final answer. Okay scholars, where c1 plus c2 equal to c. This is our final answer. Okay. So integrate this function. Question number 6. Sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. So can we apply this identity to sin x, sin y is equal to cos of x minus y minus of cos x plus y. Okay. Or we can write as sin x sin y equal to 1 upon 2 cos of x minus y minus of cos x plus y. Okay scholars. So applying this identity in this function, we get integration of sin x sin 3x sin 2x dx equal to half of integration of sin x cos of 3x minus 2x minus of cos 2x plus 5x. Okay. We get this 1 upon 2 integration of sin x cos x minus of cos 5x dx. Okay. Or we simplifying that, we get 1 upon 2 integration of sin x cos x minus cos 5x sin x dx. Okay. Now we multiply and divide 2. 1 upon 2 integration of 2 sin x cos x minus of 2 sin x cos 5x dx. Okay. Now we simplifying that, we get 1 upon 4 integration of 2 sin x cos x minus 2 sin x cos 5x dx. Okay. Now we are applying this identity in this function. We know that the identity sin of x cos of y equal to sin of 1 upon 2 sin of x plus y plus of sin x minus y. Okay. Now we are applying this identity in this. We get 1 upon 4 integration of 2 1 upon 2 sin of 2x minus of 1 upon 2 2 sin of 5x plus x plus of sin 5x minus x. Okay. We get 1 upon 4 integration of sin 2x minus of sin 6x plus of sin 4x. Okay. dx. Now integrate this function. We get 1 upon 4 integration of sin 2x is minus of cos 2x upon 2 minus of integration is sin 6x is cos 6x upon 6 plus of integration of sin 4x is minus cos 4x upon 4 plus c. Okay, or we can simplifying that, we get 1 upon 4 minus of 1 upon 2 cos 2x plus of 1 upon 6 cos 6x minus of 1 upon 4 cos 4x plus c. Okay, or we can multiply this, we get minus of 1 upon 8 cos 2x plus of 1 upon 24 cos 6x minus of 1 upon 16 cos 4x plus c. Okay, is the final answer. This answer is also correct or this is also correct, or c1 plus c2 plus c3 equal to c. Okay scholars, integrate this function, question number 7. So can we applying this identity to sin x sin y equal to cos x minus y minus of cos x plus y, or we can write as sin of x sin y equal to 1 upon 2 cos x minus y minus of cos x plus y. Okay, so applying this identity in this, we get question number 7. Okay, so we get 1 upon 2 integration of cos 4x minus 8x minus of cos 4x plus 8x dx. Okay, or we can write as half of integration of minus of cos 4x minus integration of cos 12x dx. Okay, or we can common in this integral, minus sign is common, we can also write as half of integration of cos 4x dx minus of cos 12x dx. Okay, integrate this function, we get half of cos 4x is sin 4x upon 4 minus of plus c1 minus of cos integration is sin 12x upon 12 plus c2. Okay, or we can simplifying that 1 upon 2 sin of 4x upon 4 minus sin of 12x upon 12 plus c, where c1 plus c2 equal to c, or we can multiply by this, we get 1 upon 8 sin 4x minus of 1 upon 24 sin 12x plus c is the final answer. Okay scholars, this is our final answer. Question number 9, integrate this function. So can we multiply cos x upon 1 plus cos x? Can we multiply or divide 1 minus cos x upon 1 minus cos x? Okay, so we get cos x of 1 minus cos x upon 1 minus cos square x dx. Okay, so multiplying this, we get this. So can we, or simplifying that, we can write as integration of cos x 1 minus cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. Okay, now this cos upon sin is cot x, or 1 upon sin is cosec x. Now can we write as integration of cot x cosec x or minus tan square x dx. Okay, can we simplifying this, we get this. Okay, so integration of cot x cosec x minus integration of tan square is written as sec square x minus 1 dx. We can common minus sign, we get cot x cosec x minus of integration sec square x plus 1 dx. Okay scholars, Now integrate this function. Cot x cosec integration is minus of cosec x minus integration of sec square is tan x plus x plus c is the final answer. Okay, scholars? Question number 10. Simplifying this function. So can we write as integration of sin square x whole square dx. Okay. We know that 1 minus cos square x equal to sin square x. We can change this property in half angle. We get integration of 1 minus cos 2x upon 4 dx whole square. Okay. Or we can write as 1 upon 4 integration of 1 minus cos 2x whole square dx. Okay. Now we applying a minus b whole square. So applying this 1 upon 4 as it is 1 minus of 2 cos 2x plus of cos square 2x dx. Okay. Now we substitute. We know that cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos 2x plus 1 upon 2 equal to cos square x. Okay. Now substituting the value of cos square x in this, we get 1 upon 4 integration of 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus of cos 4x plus 1 upon 2. Okay, dx. Now integrate this function. Okay. Now taking LCM or we simplifying this. So 1 upon 4 integration of 2. So 3 upon 2 plus of 1 upon 2 cos 4x minus 2 cos 2x dx. Okay, scholars? Now integrate this function with respect to x. So we get 1 upon 4 integration of 3 upon 2 x plus of 1 upon 2 cos 4x is sin 4x upon 4 minus of 2 sin 2x upon 2 plus c. Okay. Now we simplifying that 1 upon 4 3 upon 2 x plus of 1 upon 8 sin 4x minus of sin 2x plus c. Okay. Or we multiply 1 upon 4 from this bracket. Now we multiplying this 1 upon 4 whole bracket, we get 3 upon 8 x plus 1 upon 32 sin 4x minus 1 upon 4 sin 2x plus c. Okay. This is our final answer. This is also correct. This is also correct. Okay, scholars? Integrate this function. Question number 11. So can we write as integration of cos square 2x whole square. We know that the cos square x cos of 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. We know this property. So cos of 2x plus 1 upon 2 equal to cos square of x. Okay. So we can write as cos of 4x plus 1 upon 2 dx whole square. Okay, scholars? So can we written as 1 upon 4 integration of cos 4x plus 1 whole square dx. Okay. Now we apply a plus b whole square property. Again we find the value of cos square 4x. So again we apply cos of 2x equal to cos square x minus 1. Okay. So cos of here 4x. So cos of 8x plus 1 upon 2 equal to cos of 4x. Okay. We multiply or divide 2 in this. So we get 1 upon 4 integration of cos of 8x plus 1 upon 2 plus of 1 plus 2 cos 4x. Okay. So can we integrate this function? We get 1 upon 4 integration of multiply dx plus integration of 1 plus cos 8x upon 2 dx plus integration of cos 4x 2 in outside dx. Okay. We integrate this function. So integrate this function, we get 1 upon 4 integration of dx is x plus 1 upon 2x plus of sine 8x upon 2 into 8 plus 2 of 1 upon 4 sine 4x plus c. Okay, we simplifying that, we get 1 upon 4 x plus 1 upon 2 x plus of 1 upon 16 sine 8x plus 1 upon 2 sine 4x plus c. Okay. We can simplify multiplying these brackets, we get 1 upon 4 x plus 1 upon 8 x plus 1 upon 64 sine 8x plus 1 upon 8 sine 4x plus c. Okay. Now we taking LCM, we get 3 upon 8x plus 1 upon 64 sine 8x plus 1 upon 8 sine 4x plus c. Okay, is the final answer. Okay, scholars, nothing else. We taking LCM these, we get 3 upon 8x plus 1 upon 64 as it is. Okay, this is our final answer. Okay, scholars.